Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see drop function in PySpark. So basically drop function we use to drop the column, right? Now firstly I just imported all the functions. So this is the syntax from pyspark.sql.function, import all the functions. Then I'm importing all the types, like we have the integer type, struct type. So that's why like this is the second line from pyspark.sql.types. All the type we are importing. And also for the Windows function, like we use the Windows, right? Now firstly in the PySpark, whenever you want to create a data frame, right? Data frame means it's table. So first we need to give the data. So this is our data, one variable I created. In that we have, whenever you want to create the data, so first we need to give the square bracket, and then each row there is a round bracket. This is the first row, this is the second row. Let me add id as a 2, then 3 third row, and this is the fourth row. Now we have the fourth row. Now we are going schema, means basically column name. So first is the id, second is the name column, third is the city, and last one is salary. Now so this is the syntax. So I can remove. So firstly we are creating one variable. In that we are storing the data frame. So when you spark dot create, so this is the function create data frame, and first parameter is, you can see the parameter, first parameter is data, that is original data we have, and then we need to give the column header, or in the PySpark where it is called as a schema. So now I created the data frame and stored in the df1. So let's run the code and see the result. Now we have run the code, it runs successfully. Let's see the result. So df, so whenever you want to see the result, either we can use the show function or display function. In show function it will show the data in the partition format, but in display it will show in the normal table format. Now if you see, this is our data. First row we have total 4th row and 4 column. Now let's see if we want to delete the column, id column, or any other column, one column or more than one column, right? So what we can do, so we already created the data frame. So now df1 dot, just write your function name, drop. So we have the different drop function, drop duplicates, drop na, drop duplicates, describe, right? So we are using the drop function to drop the, so whenever you want to enter any column, just enter the double quote and it will give the column name. Now suppose I just want to delete the id. So let's, after that we want to see the what result we will get after delete the id column. So let's run the code once again, whole code we are running. Let's see the result. So now if you see, previously we have the 4 column and 4 row. Now we have the 3 column and 4th row. Let's see if you want to delete the more than one column, how we can delete. Now I just comment out the first statement that where we deleted the one column, right? Now df dot drop, right? And let's see double quote. Now I want to delete the id comma, second column is name, right? Now after that we want to see the result, so that's why we are using the show function. So show function don't have any argument. Now we have run the code, let's see the result. So if you see, we have deleted the first 2 columns, right? Even though we can use the call function also to delete the, now let's see, we can use the call function also, df dot drop, and here we can use the call, and call just give the double quote, and suppose now if I want to delete the salary comma, double quote, and I want to delete the city, right? And after that I want to see the result. And now let's run the code. Now if you see, we deleted the city and salary, and we are getting the result id and name. So that is the drop function in PySpark. So that's all about the today's video. If you have any question, any comment, please write down in comment. and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.